Are you tired of staring at charts all day or making emotional trades that drain your balance? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a game changer for your Deriv trading journey. We're looking at PivotCore Net, a powerful auto trading platform designed specifically for Deriv traders who want consistency without the stress. In this video, I'm putting a specific strategy to the test, the even-odd strategy. My goal is simple. I'm placing 10 trades, aiming for at least 5 wins. Watch how the automation handles the execution, so I don't have to. Setting this up is incredibly easy. As you can see on the PivotCore interface, the layout is clean and beginner-friendly. I've configured the bot to analyze the market ticks and enter even or odd positions based on the current momentum. The beauty of PivotCore is that it removes human error. No more clicking too late or second-guessing your analysis. Once you set your parameters, your stake, your target profit, and your stop loss, the platform takes over. Whether you're a pro or just starting out with Deriv, this automation gives you an edge that manual trading simply can't match. Now, let's watch the trades come in. Trading isn't about winning 100% of the time, it's about math and discipline. By aiming for a 5 out of 10 win rate with the right recovery settings, we stay in the green. Notice how the bot stays calm even during a loss, moving directly to the next opportunity. This is why PivotCore is becoming the go-to choice for the Deriv community. It's reliable, it's fast, and it works while you're busy doing other things. And there we have it. We hit our target. 5 solid wins out of 10 trades, and our balance is up. If you're ready to stop gambling and start trading smarter, you need to check out PivotCore Net. It's time to let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Click the link in the description to get started with PivotCore today and join the future of Deriv auto trading. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more automated trading strategies.